How do we handle this kind of problem? We have 1960 here. We also have 1960 here. Let's multiply both exponents by 1960. We're going to have x raised to power x raised to power 1960 times 1960 equals 1960 raised to power 1960. Nothing has changed. So recall that if a raised to power m times n, we can write it as a raised to power n times m. So we are going to impose these properties on this left hand side. So we're gonna have x raised to power 1960 times this guy x raised to power 1960. That is, we just switch m and n. So this equals 1960 raised to power 1960. Now recall that if a raised to power a is equals to b raised to power b, this implies that a equals b. So we are going to utilize this condition for this guy. Clearly, our a is s raised to power 1960 and our b is 1960. So we're gonna have x raised to power 1960 equals 1960. So let's multiply both exponents by 1 over 1960. So we're gonna have x raised to power 1960 times 1 over 1960 equals 1960 raised to power 1 over 1960. This left hand side could be written as x raised to power 1960 times 1 over 1960 equals 1960 raised to power 1 over 1960. So this implies that this guy takes care of this, so we are left with x on the left hand side equals 1960 raised to power 1 over 1960. So this is the required value of x.